So what we're going to do is we're going to start off at middle C and we're going to work our way right up to the top, to the highest note that we can make sound on. Then we're going to come back to the middle C and we're going to do the same going down to our lowest note. Now what we're going to use are vowel sounds. We're going to go through each vowel sound and you're going to jot down your lowest and your highest note in each vowel sound. What I'm going to do is do 2.5 octaves in each direction. Drop out when it becomes too high or too low, but be mindful and track what notes I'm playing so that you can jot it down. So let's get started. Starting on R, here we go. This is getting to the end of the piano. All right, there we go. Now, let's go back to middle C and do it again on the R vowel, but this time we're going to work backwards. Let's go. Okay, this time, let's do it on the air vowel. Let's go. Good job. Hopefully keeping relaxed. Let's go back to middle C and do the same thing again. So we're going to start in the middle and we're going to go backwards. Here we go. Okay, let's go back to middle C. Let's get on to E. Starting at middle C, we're going to work all the way up. Here we go. Let's take it back down to middle C. Here we go. Now we've only got 2 more vowels to go. We've got O, which is O, and oo. Here we go. Let's head back to middle C or heading down. Here we go. Great job. We're on the home stretch and hopefully you've got a whole list of the 4 vowels, both your highest and your lowest note. Let's get back to middle C for that last vowel. So we're going to do ooh. Here we go. Amazing work. Literally last run through from middle C on the ooh, going down to our lowest note. Here we go. Amazing! Please let me know what your vocal range is in the comments below in A-E-I-O-U, and you're going to write B2 to E6 or whatever your vocal range is. That one's mine, of course, and jot that down and let me know. I'm looking forward to it. And while you're at it, if you enjoyed this and found it helpful, hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you very soon.